Look at that! Soft, fluffy sweet buns you can make at home. Today, I'll show you step by step on how to make these sweet buns.
Welcome back to Sufficient Baking, where you get easy and authentic baking recipes. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a recipe. So today we are making sweet buns or soft buttery golden pull-apart dinner rolls. So let's get right into it.
Here is what you will need: 5 cups flour, half cup granulated sugar, 3 1/4 teaspoon instant yeast, 8 tablespoons salted butter, 2 cups milk, and half teaspoon salt. In another bowl, combine your flour, yeast, and granulated sugar. Here I'll be skipping the salt because I want mine a little sweeter. Here is a quick one. If you want to know the secret to having golden and shiny bread buns, please make sure you continue watching to the end, as I'm gonna show you the secret to having golden and shiny bread bun, just like the one you buy from the bakery store. Now let's go in with our warm milk. Make sure your milk is lukewarm. This is to activate the yeast. In this recipe, I'll be substituting the butter with margarine because butter is very expensive where I live. So continue kneading. The dough is gonna get sticky. Do not be tempted to add flour because adding more flour is gonna make the dough to be crusty on the top when it's fully baked, and we do not want that. So when the dough is fully kneaded, it's gonna round up this way, as you can see, and still a little bit, slightly sticky. Now you can see our dough is well kneaded. Now we'll proceed by oiling our bowl. I oiled it off camera. Then make sure you roll it, make sure the oil covers it. Now cover it up to proof for 1 hour or until it's doubled in size. Now punch down the dough to remove air bubbles. Now take out the bread dough from the bowl. I'm gonna be lining up our baking tray with a parchment paper. This is to reduce burning. If you've watched this video up to this point, thank you so much. Please hit subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Your support means the world to me and truly motivates me to keep creating and sharing more easy and authentic recipes for you. Divide the dough into 2 equal parts. Then start cutting up into small equal pieces. To get accurate pieces for the buns, you'll be needing your weighing scale. So here we'll be weighing the buns into 100 grams each to maintain equal sizes. So when you're making sweet buns or dinner roll, you have to make sure that you achieve equal sizes and shapes by measuring out your balls. So you must have a weighing scale that you can use to measure them out into 100 grams balls each. This is going to give you 15 balls. By measuring them into 100 grams balls each, we're going to get 15 bread rolls from this recipe. Right here is the secret to getting the golden, shiny dinner rolls. Break up 1 egg and stir thoroughly. to make sure that it mixes very well. Lightly brush the top of the buns with beaten egg now. This seals moisture and gives an even golden finish to the bread buns. Cover the tray gently and let the buns proof for 30 to 45 minutes until puffy. Now start preheating your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. When the buns are finally well proofed, we're gonna bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Look at that! Our buns are out of the oven. Now, you can decide to brush with melted butter to give it extra shine and a luxurious look.
And that's how you make bakery style sweet buns at home. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy and authentic recipes. See you in my next video. Bye.